Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. Today we want to show you our new Level 8 suitcases.
These are the Voyageur 28-inch in Celadon and in Navy.
So let's dive right into it so you know what to expect if you're considering Level 8 for your next luggage set. Now, of course, if you do want more information on these suitcases or would like to pick one up for yourself, they are linked below in the description.
Let's start by taking a look at the outside of the suitcase.
Yeah, so this is a Makrolon polycarbonate finish on it. It's really nice looking. It's got a little micro diamond finish in there. It looks really sleek, especially in this two-tone one.
I really like it, and it looks quite attractive. Another thing I really appreciate about the Level 8 suitcase is that it comes with a lifetime warranty on the shell, the wheels, the handle, and the zipper.
The zipper is important to me. We had a different suitcase. The zipper broke on our first trip with it. So when that's covered, that's a bonus. So Andrea, the sizes and colors of the Voyageur luggage.
Yeah, the Voyageur comes in a 26, 28, and 30-inch option.
So that's for checked luggage. They also have a carry-on size if you do like a matching set.
I do like a matching set.
So again, 28-inch is the ones we have here. So if you're wondering about the size, I'll pop them up on the screen for the different sizes of suitcases. But this 28-inch is 29.1 inches in height. Now the width is 16.6 inches and the depth is 13.3 inches, a total weight of 12.4 pounds, and this holds 99 liters.
Now, we really love this size, the 28-inch. I find when I fill the suitcase pretty full, it's right around that 50-pound mark. So if I go any bigger, I tend to go overweight.
The other thing is the airlines that we typically fly with, this is right under the maximum size of suitcase. So double check that with your airline, but these are perfect for who we typically fly with. Now, colors.
Colors. Now again, this is the Celadon. It's a two-tone. I really like it. I'd almost consider this kind of like a minty green and then maybe a
bluey gray kind of?
Yeah,
it looks
green
really
tone.
nice. Yeah.
It is a nice and attractive. And as well in the navy, which is like your classic color, they also come in black, a dark olive, and then another two-tone, which is yellow and black.
So whatever style you're after, they've got you covered. There are quite a few features on the outside of this suitcase. So the back has these 4 feet as well as on the bottom, which is great if you're putting it down, you're not putting it right on the shell. And handles, there's some really nice handles on this suitcase.
I really like the design of the Voyageur. So you have your classic handle on the side as well as the top, but the one on the front, that's an addition I really like.
That one's really handy when you're putting this suitcase in the trunk of a car.
Absolutely.
And then the main handle for pulling it, so this is telescopic.
Has 4 different height settings, which is great, so you can find a space that's comfortable for you.
For the height. Now it is also really wide, so that's unique to this suitcase. I really like that.
Makes it easy to control.
And one thing that Level 8 has mentioned, because it is wide, these bars go down the sides rather than down the middle, opening up a little bit more space on the inside of the suitcase. Well, this suitcase has 360-degree spinner wheels, and they're really quiet and smooth.
They work so well that I've had my suitcase roll away from me in the parking lot.
So keep an eye on your suitcase, but it's really convenient how easy this rolls in the airport or on your trips. These suitcases also have a built-in TSA lock, so all your stuff is locked up while you travel. You can set the 3-digit code to whatever you like, and you're not gonna lose your lock when you get to your destination.
Does that ever happen?
It may have happened in the past, so it's all built right in. You just pull the switch here and it pops the zipper tabs off.
Now, I really like these zippers. They're heavy-duty YKK zippers that go right down the sides. When you open up the suitcase, you will find 2 main compartments, with the back side being much deeper and the front being a fair bit shallower.
Yeah, it is a little bit shallower on that side. Now this side with the deeper side does have a mesh cover, but this side has 2 pockets.
It does, which is really convenient. This is great for keeping some socks or some smaller things. It's still a great size here.
But this is the really cool one.
This is one of these wet dry bags, which I love either if you're traveling with your toiletries that you're worried about leaking out, or a wet, damp swimsuit.
Yeah, commonly we'll go swimming at a hotel and then you're traveling the next day. This is a great place to put that. Bring it out, put it in there. Everything else doesn't get wet in your suitcase, so that's a nice feature. This side has, or actually both sides have double zippers, so you can open that up. So again, this is the shallower side. And there's a fair bit of space still on this side. And then as we'd mentioned, the main big side here on the Level 8 suitcase, it has that mesh cover on it. and a double zipper. It opens up there. Now we do want to mention this is separate. It doesn't come with the suitcases, but we do have the 6-pack of the Level 8 packing cubes. These are great for packing. It makes it really easy to unpack. On cruises, we just load these into the cupboards or in your hotel rooms. Really simple. These are a nice green color, and the whole set only weighs 1.39 pounds.
It's nice and light and really helps you stay organized.
So there's a few different sizes in the 6-pack. So it has the small one, which is nice.
Yes, really good.
2 mediums.
Yep.
It's got the large. So this one actually is a little bit different. It has a vent there and it doesn't compress. It's great for shoes. It's got a little handle there, so really nice packing cube. And then 2 extra large packing cubes as well.
These are a good size, and these ones expand bigger than this again.
Yeah,
too.
so again, they've got the kind of expansion on the side
On
there.
the side.
So.
Oh, that opens it.
So really handy, like we said, if you go to a hotel or on a cruise for unpacking, you just plop it in the drawer of the cupboard and you're done. So really nice feature. But inside the suitcase, again, nice and big.
Really deep.
And it's got a divider actually in it.
This is really interesting. I haven't seen a suitcase with this like this before. So you can separate your stuff, or you can choose to lay it down flat if you like.
Yeah, so nice big suitcase, and I'm really happy with the size in there. I do like that the one side is a little bit deeper than the other. So we really like these Level 8 28-inch Voyageur suitcases. I really like the spinny wheels. Just watch your suitcase doesn't roll away. Plus that built-in TSA lock is great.
I love the wide handle on the top, and inside, I love that wet, dry pocket. That's a great addition.
Plus these suitcases do hold a lot of stuff, so really happy with them, and definitely helps with those packing cubes.
I find that this suitcase really meets all our traveling needs.